Hello everyone, this is Gitika Chawla from USPC Jain Public School, and today we will start question number 8 of exercise 11.4 of chapter 11 perimeter and area of class 7th. So here in question number 8, Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter. Means Pragya is having a cord and she is going to wrap a circular pipe with it. Fine. See, this is a circular pipe and she is going to wrap. See, this one blank portion is showing that she is going to wrap this one circular pipe. And here the radius of this circular pipe is 4 centimeter is given, and cut off the length required of the cord, and she cut it. Fine. That how much cord she has used while wrapping this circular pipe, the rest the cord she cut it, and then what she has done after that, then she wrapped it around a square box of the side 4 centimeter. Then how much cord she has used this to cover this circular pipe, with the same length she is going to cover this one square box, we can say. And what will see that what is saying here, that did she have any cord left, means when she is going to wrap this one square box here, is there any more cord which is left that is not used to cover this one square box? Means we will we'll check that what is the length of the remaining cord. In this sum we will find out. Fine. So for that, what we'll do, as she is going to cover both circular pipe and squares, so what we'll find out, we will find out the circumference of circle here, and then here the perimeter of a square will find out, because we want to find out that how much length she has used to cover these two diagrams here, or to wrap this one circular pipe and this one square box here. The length of the cord we can say here. So let's start now. So the radius of the pipe, it is given as 4 centimeter. It is given here because it is a circular pipe, so it is given as 4 centimeter. And wrapping a cord around circular pipe, that is 2 pi r, because she is going to cover it from around it. So we will use here circumference, that is 2 pi r. We will use here pi as 3.14 because it is given, and radius as before. So on multiplying we got here 25.12 centimeter. Then after that, she is again going to use this one same cord to wrap here square box. So again wrapping a cord around a square. So what is the perimeter? 4 into side. Fine. So 4 into side, add side is again here is given as 4 centimeter of this square box. So put here 4 into 4, that is 16. So now you can say here that here the circumference of the circle, it is 25.12, but the perimeter of square is 16. See how much distance there. We can check. So what is the remaining cord here? So the remaining cord is the cord wrapped on pipe minus the cord wrapped on square. So on substituting its value and on subtracting, we got a 9.12 centimeter. So thus she has left 9.12 centimeter cord, which is left after wrapping with the same cord to the square box, we can say. Fine. So this much cord is left, which is after wrapping the cord of the square. So this is your answer, that this is the left 9.12 centimeter cord of a circular pipe. Let's start next question. Question number 9. The joining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular flower bed in the middle. See, this one rectangle is representing a lawn here, and this one circle is representing a flower bed inside the lawn here. Find the area of the whole land. First of all, what we'll find out? We will find out the area of the complete rectangle, means including the flower bed here. Then second part, we have to find out the area of the flower bed, means we have to find out the area of this one circle. Then in third part, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flowered bed. Mean to say here, after finding the area of both, what we'll do? We will subtract both the areas there. So in this way, we will find out the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. Then in next question, next fourth part here, the circumference of the flower bed. Mean to say here, we will find out the circumference of this circle. Fine. So let, as in this sum, what is given here, the length of the flower bed, it is here as 10 meter, and breadth is given as 5 meter. According to this diagram, it is given here, and also it is given that in this diagram that the radius of this flower bed, which is in the shape of a circle, it is 2 meter. So First of all, what we'll do here, first of all, we'll find out the area of the whole land. That is, we'll find out the area of this rectangular lawn here. That is L multiply B. So 10 multiply 5, that is 50 meters square. Fine. Then after that, we'll find out the area of the flower bed. Means we'll find out the area of the circle. So the area of the circular flower bed, that is pi r square. So here again, as it is not given that pi as use pi as 3.14 or pi r square, but according to some I am going to use here pi as 3.14, multiply r as 2 multiply 2. So on multiplying it, we got here 12.56 meters square. Fine. So this is the answer of the second part here. Then third part, what they are asking here, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flowered bed. What we'll do here, now we have to find out the area of the lawn excluding this one circular flowered bed. So from the area of the complete diagram, we will subtract the area of the circle here. So on subtracting, what we got here, 50 minus 12.56, that is 37.44 meters square. So this is the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. Fine. Then in next portion, they are asking the circumference of the flower bed. Means we have to find out the circumference of the circle. So its formula is 2 pi r. Put here pi as 3.14, as we'll use a r2. So on putting it, what we got here, 12.56 meter, and this is the circumference of the flower bed. And in this way, you can simplify your question number 9.